MEOWSCULES, and today I am going to be showing you how to complete Shadow MEOWSCULES or Ghost MEOWSCULES final mission, which is deliver 10 fish to Ghost or deliver 10 fish to Shadow. So basically, what it means by deliver 10 fish to Shadow or Ghost is just catching fish and delivering them to rather a Ghost mailbox or a Shadow mailbox. Now the easiest way to do this is just simply by going to Weeping Woods, then making your way to Salty Springs. Yeah, that's right. Salty Springs. So basically, Salty Springs has both Shadow and Ghost. They have both Shadow and Ghost mailboxes, and depending on which one you went, I went for Shadow. Obviously, I prefer Shadow. I mean, I think most people prefer Shadow than Ghost. That is just sort of true. Comment below what you got. If you got Ghost, that's totally fine. If you like Ghost, that's great. Well, I just prefer Shadow. So that's how I want it. Also, big shout out to Vainkiller for sponsoring this video. I'm joking. For helping me doing this video, because he just bought me the battle pass straight off the bat. Shout out to Vainkiller. You can subscribe to him if you want. Cool dude. Yeah, so I'm just gonna come over here and try looking for a fishing rod. You know, in the past, fishing rods, just like fishing rods, I'm not gonna take the fishing rod. Now the fishing rods are really, oh my god, someone's shooting me. Okay, who's shooting me, bros? Who's shooting me, bros? Who's shooting me? Ah, he's in that. I think he's in that house. I'll get this burst assault first. So maybe there, maybe there. Is he gonna rush me? Who is this dude? Alright, I'm just gonna move along. Don't mind me, just walking along, trying. Oh yes, there we go. This is why you should go to Weeping, because there are plenty of fishing rods here. So I'm just gonna take one of these fishing rods and I'm gonna fish for stuff. So once you get a fishing rod from Weeping Woods, because there are tons here, there is a ghost one here. So if you did go to ghost, you can easily just come to Weeping Woods. I'm pretty sure there's not a Shadow one here, not that anyone I know. But yeah, if there's a Shadow one here, also comment in the comment section below. If not, for me, I don't know if there is one, so I'm gonna make my way to Salty Springs. And on the way, there is a, yeah, that is a dude. Can I kill him? Oh my god, this dude's running quite fast. Oh, it's 19 hits. It's 19 hits. Okay, he's building. Alright, he's building. Alright, I just leveled up, which is really good. Let me get a shot in. I got 19 hits in him. This is really hard to aim from a distance like this. I'm a good aimer, but not a really good aimer. How am I meant to kill him? Kill him, kill him. Alright, I cracked him. He's still shooting me. I'm gonna try and rush him. I'm gonna kind of rush him. I'm gonna go here and I'll grab out this. Where is this dude? Wait, where is he? Where is he? Never mind. I hear gunshots, which first two of them I'm not gonna go fight. So I'm gonna make my way to Salty Springs because I know there is a Shadow mailbox here, and right here. Oh, the lake's gone. Okay, there used to be a lake here. Actually, there never was a lake here. So you just want to go to Salty Springs and come back forth without the lake. Catch a fish, then come back. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. The lake over there is way too far, so I'm gonna go over to this lake right there, and then start fishing. So yeah, I'll do a little time lapse thing. Yeah. I'll also mute the volume so we can make things go a bit faster. should be a good enough thing for us. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, yeah. So here we go. So you can basically just keep catching the small fries and stuff like that. So we got 1, 2, 4 and 2. That makes 6. So we just need 4 more. We're just gonna catch 4 more, and then yeah. You're kidding me, right? Why? Why would you do this? I was just trying to fish here. Why are you doing this? Okay, we're gonna have to go around 2. Why did he kill me? I don't know. I was just trying to fish here. Why did you kill me, boy? Who's this dude? Everybody report him. Everyone. I'm joking. Yeah, it happens all the time. So this might take a few tries because there are people who are planning to kill you while you're just trying to do the missions. So yeah, we'll go for round 2. We're here. So apparently there is a shadow case at Weeping for some reason. Why am I blurred? Oh wait, no, I'm not. I'm good. I know. I'm good. So we're gonna have to find a fishing rod. There is a pond here, right there. That's a pond, right? Dark Master status, is that a pond?
Yep. And there's
Dark Master status, is that a pond?
That is a pond. Yes, that is a pond.
I'm being penguin from Madagascar. Alright, so it turns out there is a shadow thing here. There it is. So I've already done 2.
There's a fishing rod in there.
Yeah, there should be fishing rods around here. So let's just go in. Yeah,
there's one in here.
Yeah, there is one in here. Yep, perfect. Alright, so oh, there's only one. Alright, so I'm just gonna go fishing. And my friend right here, called Dark Master, is just gonna protect me, so I don't have to die like last time. So yeah, you good? You good? You're just gonna protect me with that assault rifle?
Yep, I'm good.
Alright, I'm just gonna fish. 2 meows is just fishing. Alright, so what? Oh, we got a slurpfish. Nice. Alright.
Make sure you don't eat your fish.
Oh, I got another slurpfish. Okay, I'm gonna.
Make sure you don't eat your fish.
I'm on a big strike. Okay, that's another flopper. Okay, so we got 3. I already have 2, so that means I need 5 more fishes. All right, that's not even a fish. Never mind. That's brick. Come on, fish, fishy. There we go. I got a small fry.
Make sure you don't eat your fish. I get you a cat, but make sure you don't eat your fish.
Oh, okay. I'll try. Alright, oh, come on. You gave me steel. Why do I need steel? This is the thing with fishing. Imagine just gave me a gun. Imagine it gave me a scar. That would be funny. Alright, so I need 4 more.
It gave me a scar once.
Really?
Purple scar.
What am I meant to do with a rusty can? What am I meant to do with a rusty can? Why is that even in the game? Oh, I can mark it. That's a bit weird. So you got, yep, there we go. And I'm just gonna need just a few more. So I got 2, 1, that's 3. Oh my god. 2, 2, 4, 5. Alright, and 5, 1, 2. I just need 3 more. Alright, 2 more. Alright, this is easy. This is actually easy. So go to Weeping Woods. Forget what I said about Salty Springs. Yeah, Weeping Woods are a lot easier. Legit.
Right here. Right here.
Alright, we got enough.
Spot.
We got enough. So we got 2, 1, 4. So what you guys just can fish for longer. It won't be that easy. So there is a fishing rod in this little cabin right here, and if you went ghost, the ghost thing is over there, right there, and the shadow one's here, depending on which mouse you went. So what you want to do is just give items to shadow, and there we go. We got bro, we need 1 more. We need 1 more. We need 1 more. Okay, let's go. So, you know, like, everyone's just like, oh no, why did I get a small fish? I'm like, yes, I finally got a small fish. Here we go. So, deliver fish to shadow. It actually isn't hard. It actually isn't hard. It's not hard. So, right now, it's going to leave match. So, Dark Master, also do it.
Yep.
And then, what you want to do is go to Battle Pass. Oh, also, you have to have the Battle Pass. If you don't have the Battle Pass, I am so sorry you can't get it. Maybe ask Killer. He probably would do it, but whatever. Alright, so we got MEOWSCULES style shadow, which is cool. And we got feline fun. Claim. Alright, one of my fans are trying to invite me. This is Sugar Friend, I'm pretty sure. And if I go to edit styles, it should say Shadow MEOWSCULES. Hi, I'm filming right now, so just give me a second, please. So there you go, you got Shadow MEOWSCULES looking kind of cool with #1 champion tattoo right there. It's actually black and looks pretty
And
cool.
this is how it looks like. Oh, God, this is poison force with Shadow MEOWSCULES.
Also, you got this one.
Cute in a creepy way.
So if you go to edit styles, you can, I don't really
It's almost same timing. Almost same timing.
I don't really see the problem, the thing with Shadow MEOWSCULES backpack. But yeah, it does look really weird when you do port and cut, because its eyes just looks weird. I don't know why. But yeah, that'll be it. Actually, should we give Shadow MEOWSCULES a test run? Actually, nah. So that'll be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!